Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's iridium silver. Under the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This one has the appearance package, which gives you the 10-spoke 20-inch alloy wheels, brushed aluminum running boards. We've got a black MB-Tex interior, sunroof, coming around back here. Got our GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, fresh set of floor mats, cargo cover, a full down third row seating. Coming around back here, we've got rear seat entertainment, our climate controls in the rear here. Coming up front, we've got a nice burl walnut wood trim, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start this up here. This one does come with their Premium 1 package, which comes with navigation, a surround view backup camera, our hard keys, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, our command center with dynamic selections. This vehicle has 43,030 miles on it, Carfax and service records available. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS, check out feldmanimports.com.